Hi, I'm going to show you one easy Diwali decoration of hanging diyas. It will be like this. So you can just tie this and you can decorate your houses. All you need is circular papers. I have taken off different size. You can take off same size and cut some leaf shape designs in yellow or orange. And you need a thread. You can use any thread and you need some glue and the scissors. So first cut these triangle circles into two halves and make it semicircles. So you have four semicircles. First fold one of the semicircle and make it into a quarter. Do it for all the four. Okay, once you have done that, hold the paper, put glue on one of the quarters and stick another quarter on top of it. So you have to stick in this way. Okay, and keep this aside. Do it for the other side as well. Okay, just you have to place one on top of the other like this. Okay, and keep it aside. Then take four of these designs, fold them into halves. In the same way how we did for the semicircles, put glue on one side, join the other side like this, other part, and keep it one side. Do it for the other side. Okay, and keep it aside. Now take the thread, place the thread in the middle like this. Okay, place it in the middle like this. Okay, put some glue and place the other half of it on top of this like this. Okay, once you have done that, take this one. This is like the flame of the diya. Put some glue. Okay, and don't leave any space. Okay, after this, just put it like this and place the other part of it on top of this like this. So you can see one part of the diya is like ready. So you can hang separate or make a combination and you can do it. Same way I have stuck the second one. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. I'll show the third one. So hold the thread, hold this on after some distance. Okay, like this. Okay, put some glue and put this on top of this. Okay, and I have the flames also, so I'll just hold it. Put some glue. And put it like this. Okay, so our Diwali diya decoration is like ready. You can just put it like this. You can make multiples of it. Thank you.